Wilaya ya Uasin Gishu sasa wanamtia shime Rais kwenye harakati yake ya kupambana na changamoto zinazolikumba taifa hili. Wakizungumza mjini Eldoret, kundi hilo la Wareng alumni wamesema kwamba wako tayari kutoa mawazo, kikao na mchango ili kupiga jeki safari ya Rais ya kukwamua uchumi wa taifa hili.
The hard work. He worked for everything. He worked to become Christian Union chairman. He worked hard to become prefect. He worked hard to become head boy. And then he worked hard to become MP. He worked hard to become assistant minister. And then he worked hard to become minister. He worked hard to become deputy president of the country. And he again worked hard to become president. So basically he has not skipped any position in life. He has not just become an MP and then he became president. He has worked hard for all these positions. So we are proud of him.
Group of Wareng, we are looking forward to meeting him. As a person, I have met him before, but I want to meet him also as the president because he's a great man. He's a, he's even Wareng Secondary School is not easy, even Alliance. Probably, I don't know whether Mwai Kibaki came from Alliance, but it's not easy for a school to produce a president. So Wareng is great, it is one of, the schools that will go into, history books. So we are happy about the president.
This CPC, I know he's got the answer. I know when he listens to what the group is going on collecting, he's going to come up with a good decision. I'm a class teacher of grade 6 now, and I am praying for him so that this country will come up with a good system of education.
Rais wetu ashikane nasi, tuongoza tukiwa nyuma yake, ili tuweze kufanya shule hii ikuwe shule moja ambayo itaweza kunawiri katika Uasin Gishu County na Kenya kwa ujumla.
Kwa sababu ya wewe tukiwa pale, tunajua ya kwamba matakwa yetu yanaweza yakasikizwa. Kwa hivyo tunashukuru kwa siku ya leo. Na nafasi hii ni nafasi ya kipekee. So we are so grateful. We thank you and we